Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Chrome browser as the default browser on Windows 10. So let's start. First of all, we need to open our Chrome browser. Once we do this, we move our mouse to the right top corner to those three dots, click on it, and then from the menu over here we choose Settings. Once Settings open, from the menu on the left side you need to choose Default Browser. Once you click on Default Browser, over here we've got Default Browser and there is an option that says Make Default. So we need to click on this option, and once we do this, default apps of Windows 10 should open. And over here we can set default apps for different things like maps, music player and so on. And what we need to find is down here at the bottom there is Web Browser. So once you find it, you just click on the browser that you have set up over here as your default, and then you should see a list of all the browsers that you have installed on your computer. So just choose the browser that you want to set up as the default. So in this example that's Google Chrome. As you can see, Google Chrome was already changed and now it will be the default browser on Windows 10. So that's it for today. Please let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.